The bomb.
The bomb yawned.
Is it spicy? Is it the bomb?
It keeps on hitting you.
Oh, is that bad? We got milk. Oh, I don't want to bite now. No. You with the hiccups, that means it must be really spicy.
Oh man.
Oh yeah, no.
Oh shit.
Let's see those eyes. Oh, no tears yet.
Shit.
Your heart. Is it good though? No? Can't.
Oh yeah, it's hot. It's hot.